Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 1st September. And first of all, national news. Centre called special session of Parliament between September 18 and 22. Supreme Court warned of fake website phishing attack. Supreme Court Collegium recommended 5 judges for appointment as permanent judges of Madras High Court. India saw lowest August rainfall in a century. September is likely to be normal. IMD. PM Narendra Modi met R. Pragnananda has a special message for chess World Cup hero. Moon lander recorded event appeared natural under investigation. ISRO. India's responsibility to bring divided world together. S. Jaishankar. 151 farmers cheated of rupees 113 crore in loan fraud in Maharashtra. Copes. Now some international news. Donald Trump pleads not guilty in Georgia election fraud case. UK PM Rishi Sunak's cabinet got new Indian origin minister. UN committee urged rich countries to waive patents on COVID vaccine. Grant Shep became new UK Defence Minister after Ben Wallace resigned. For the first time, Joe Biden approved direct US military aid to Taiwan. North Korea said it conducted tactical nuclear strike drill. And now some sports news. BCCI media rights via Com18 backs TV and digital rights for next 5 years. Australia thrashed South Africa by 111 runs in Durban T20. India set to bid for 2027 World Athletics Championships. Neeraj Chopra. B. Sai Sudarshan signed up for Surrey for Country Championship remainder. Manchester City's Happy Onam Instagram post in Malayalam goes viral. Now some business related news. Strengthen financial operational resilience, RBI Governor to UCBS. Indian economy grew 7.8% in April to June compared to 6.1% in last quarter. Growth in private corporate sector sales, profit down in first quarter, RBI study. India to clock GDP growth of 6.5% in financial year 24 despite rainfall deficit, CEA. SEBI rejects panel on alternative investment policy expanded to 25 members. PLI scheme 38 IT firms applied to make laptops PCS under PLI scheme. And that's all in news. Thank you.